Welcome back to PodEnglish, the podcast dedicated to boosting your English skills for real-life situations. I'm Emma, and I'm thrilled to be here with you.
And I'm Lucas. Always great to join you, Emma, and all our wonderful listeners. If you're looking to sound more confident and clear in English, you're in the right place.
Absolutely. Today, we're tackling a topic that can be quite frustrating even in our native language, explaining a technical problem to IT support. We've all been there, right?
Oh, definitely. That moment when your computer decides to stop cooperating and you have to call someone to help. It can be a challenge to describe exactly what's going on, especially in a second language.
Exactly. Our goal today is to equip you with the vocabulary, expressions, and tips to make those conversations with IT support much smoother and less stressful. So let's get into the main discussion.
When your tech breaks, clear communication is key. You want to describe the issue precisely so the IT person can understand and help you quickly. A vague description can lead to a lot of back and forth.
It's true. Imagine saying, "My computer isn't working." That could mean anything. Is it not turning on? Is an app crashing? Is the internet slow? Specificity really helps.
And it's not just about getting your device fixed. It's also about saving time and avoiding frustration for both you and the support technician. A good explanation helps them diagnose the problem faster.
Right. So let's arm ourselves with some useful vocabulary. Lucas, what's the first word we should look at?
How about glitch? A glitch is a minor problem or a sudden malfunction. For example, my mouse had a bit of a glitch and stopped responding for a second.
That's a good one. Next, we have malfunction. This is a broader term for when a piece of equipment or a system fails to work correctly. You could say, the printer is experiencing a serious malfunction. It won't print anything.
Building on that, there's bug. A bug is an error or flaw in a computer program or system. We found a bug in the new software update that was causing the app to crash.
And when things really go wrong, your computer might freeze. This means it stops responding and you can't click anything. My entire screen froze and I couldn't do anything but restart.
Similar to that is crash. A crash is when a computer program or system suddenly stops working. The video editing software crashed and I lost all my unsaved work.
That's the worst. To fix some issues, you might need to reboot or restart your device. This means turning it off and then on again. Have you tried rebooting your router to fix the internet connection?
Another important word is troubleshoot. This means to investigate and solve problems, especially technical ones. The IT technician helped me troubleshoot the email issue.
Good one. Then we have connectivity, which refers to the ability to connect to the internet or a network. I'm having connectivity issues. My Wi-Fi keeps dropping.
And sometimes a problem isn't constant, it's intermittent. This means it happens at irregular intervals, not continuous. The sound is intermittent. It works sometimes and then cuts out.
An error message is a message displayed by a computer program indicating that an error has occurred. I keep getting an error message saying disk full. Always helpful to read these out.
And diagnostics refers to programs or procedures used to identify problems in hardware or software. The support team ran diagnostics on my laptop to find the root cause.
Finally, peripheral. This is any external device that connects to a computer, like a printer, keyboard, or mouse. My external hard drive, a peripheral device, isn't being recognized.
Excellent vocabulary, Emma. Now that we have some key terms, let's look at some useful expressions you can use when talking to IT support.
First up, a classic, it's acting up. This means something isn't working correctly, or as it should. For example, my printer is acting up. It's printing blank pages.
Another common one is it's not responding. This is perfect for when an application or the whole system becomes unresponsive. When I click on the icon, the program just sits there. It's not responding.
And often before you call IT, you've tried everything. So I've tried everything or I've already tried is very useful. I've tried restarting the computer and checking the cables, but to no avail.
To no avail, meaning without success. A great phrase. If a problem keeps happening, you can say it's a recurring issue. The Wi-Fi dropping is a recurring issue. It happens every afternoon.
When you want to know if the IT person can see the same thing you're seeing, you might ask, "Are you seeing what I'm seeing?" or "Can you see this on your end?"
And if they're asking you to do something, you can say, "Could you walk me through it?" This means you want them to guide you step by step. "I'm not sure how to access the settings. Could you walk me through it?"
Finally, if you don't understand something, don't be afraid to say, "Could you clarify that?" or "Could you explain that in simpler terms?" It's totally fine to ask for more detailed or easier to understand explanations.
These expressions will definitely help you sound more natural and confident. Now, let's put some of these into practice with a couple of short example dialogues. Emma, how about we role play?
Great idea. I'll be Sarah, the user with a problem, and you can be IT support. Ready?
Ready. Sarah, what's the issue?
IT support? Hi, my laptop is acting up. It keeps freezing when I try to open a new tab in my web browser. I get an error message that just says application error.
Okay, I understand. Have you tried rebooting your laptop? And is this a recurring issue?
Yes, I've tried rebooting multiple times, but to no avail. It started yesterday, and now it's happening every hour or so.
All right, thank you for clarifying. Let's run some diagnostics to see if we can identify the bug. Could you walk me through the steps you take when it freezes?
Perfect. See how Sarah used acting up, error message, rebooting, to no avail, recurring issue, and Lucas asked to walk me through it, and for clarifying, that's clear communication.
Indeed. Let's try another one. This time, I'll be the user and you can be the IT technician.
Okay, I'm ready for your technical problem. What seems to be the malfunction?
IT tech. My internet connectivity is intermittent. The Wi-Fi signal indicator on my laptop just shows a yellow exclamation mark and then it reconnects a minute later. It's really frustrating.
I see. Have you checked your peripheral devices, like your router? Have you tried unplugging and plugging it back in?
Yes, I've already tried that multiple times. It seems like a persistent glitch. Is there anything else I can do from my end?
Great job, Lucas. You used intermittent, connectivity, peripheral devices, and persistent glitch. Both sides of the conversation are well prepared now.
Right. Beyond vocabulary and expressions, we have some practical tips to make explaining technical problems even easier.
My first tip is be specific. Don't just say, "It's broken." Describe exactly what happened, when it happened, and what you were doing right before it broke.
Absolutely. My second tip is write down error messages. If you see a code or specific text in an error message, write it down. It's incredibly useful for IT support.
That's a fantastic point. Tip number 3, describe the steps you've already taken. This prevents the IT person from suggesting solutions you've already tried, saving time.
And my final tip, be patient and polite. Technical issues can be frustrating, but IT support is there to help you. A calm and clear attitude goes a long way.
Excellent tips, Lucas. So, to recap, today we've learned how to clearly explain technical problems to IT support using essential vocabulary like glitch and malfunction, and expressions like "it's acting up" and "I've tried everything."
And we practiced with some role plays and shared valuable tips like being specific and noting down error messages. With these tools, you'll be able to tackle any tech trouble with confidence.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Try describing a problem with your phone or computer to a friend using today's words and phrases. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve.
Thank you for joining us on PodEnglish. We hope this episode helps you the next time you face a technical hiccup. Keep learning and keep speaking English.
That's all for this episode. From Emma and Lucas, goodbye for now.